Hey guys, welcome to a new series called Animal Jam Pocket Camp. This is a free mobile game. Either this game is going to fail me, or this game is going to impress me. Now most of these games do not impress me. Beef tickets. No, I don't have a Nintendo DS. Start first. Downloading. Look at all the pretty pictures. Yeah. We're back. Animal Crossing Pocket Camp. There's a rainbow. Oh, look at this return color. There's just an upside down rainbow. Retry. Return to title. Whatever. We shall get this figured out. We're failing again. Work, man. I don't want to have to give you a 0-star rating. I'll give you a rating if you actually do good for me. Do wonders, please. Let me just record you and you'd be awesome. For once, the game could be awesome and then I could record it and you'd be like, yay! That'd be so amazing. Hey there, welcome to Animal Crossing Pocket Camp. Would it be cool if I asked you a question right off the bat? Yeah, sure, KK. Let's say you're on vacation starting tomorrow. What would you do? The world is yours. Be back whenever I have my character fully customized. I think this one fits me perfectly. Next. Proceed. That's my Doodorowski. Charizard, I choose you. Wait, it's not Pokemon. Shut up, Ash! Nobody was talking to you. When you want to walk somewhere, just tap screen. And follow your finger across the step anything that you can discover. Alright, that's my favorite. Naruto! I kinda look like Naruto whenever he runs. If you've got any Naruto fans, yeah, you know what Naruto looks like whenever he's running. Yeah, your boy knows some anime, bro. N-I-G-H-T. Yep. Catching bugs is all about timing. 3, 2, 1, now! So I'm guessing whenever like dunked on red. I saw a bunch of other fruits. No, there's like just wanted to play to see if I can find some fruits. Hey, are these pears? Yeah, pears. I know a little bit about Animal Crossing, but not that much. Terry's. Another tree over here. Grab this one, and then this one, and then this one. Then those peaches. Yep, here you go. I just collected all those. Yeah. Well, that's good. I'm gonna start doing that more often, like checking everywhere. Fruits are absolutely scrumptious. They didn't ninja enough for both of us. Woof. No, there's only one of us when it comes to dance moves. Ninja, welcome back. I hope it's been worth the wait. Everything is almost ready to start camping. Oh, I'm glad you like it. You should point out all the lovely furniture, crystallizing wreaths. I'd love to show you what we can do with them. Let's do it right now. Take a look at the crafting log and see if you can find anything that strikes your fancy. Me, myself, and I found me. Should I order this? But you said it was like I could do anything. No, you're making me do one specific thing. I was just playing lazy. It was only 1 minute. Not bad if I do say so myself. Take care of it. Okay, it's good. Yeah, this is a pretty good graphicized game. It hasn't let me down yet. Well, guys, this looks like a perfect place to end the episode. I'd love to start inventing more people come enjoy the place. Come on, I know someone who would love to get things set up. Hey, it's golden. Well, this looks like the perfectest place to end the episode. See you next time, and make sure to stay sneaky. Bye.